In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PayPal account. To get started, open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Make sure you are on the official PayPal website before entering any information, since this is important for both security and account setup. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign Up button. After that, PayPal will ask you to choose the type of account you want to create. You'll usually see two options: personal or business. A personal account is generally the right choice if you want to shop online, send money, or receive payments occasionally. A business account is more suitable if you plan to accept payments for products or services, or if you're managing transactions for a company or brand. Choose the option that best fits your needs, and then click Get Started to move on. On the next screen, continue by entering the required details. This usually includes your email address, which will be used as your login, along with your name and any other information PayPal asks for to confirm your identity and set up your account properly. As you fill everything in, take a moment to make sure your information is accurate. Using correct details from the beginning can help prevent issues later when verifying your account or accessing certain PayPal features. It's also a good idea to use an email address that you check regularly, since PayPal may send important notifications, confirmations, and security alerts there. When entering your information, follow the prompts carefully and review everything before submitting. If PayPal asks for additional confirmation details, just complete them as requested so your account can be created successfully. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've completed those steps, your PayPal account setup will be underway, and you can continue following any on-screen instructions PayPal provides. The process is usually straightforward, and taking your time during setup can help make sure everything is done correctly the first time. If you're following along, just go step by step, stay on the official site, choose the account type that matches your needs, and enter your details carefully. That way you'll have your PayPal account ready with as little hassle as possible.